In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headings and subheadings in Jupyter Notebook. Headings make your notebooks easier to read, scan, and share by clearly separating sections and ideas. We'll walk through creating a new notebook and formatting text with markdown so your work looks clean and professional. Start by opening Jupyter in your browser. Once you're on the main Jupyter page, look to the top menu bar and click File. From there, hover over New to reveal the options, and then click Notebook to create a fresh notebook. This opens a new file with a first cell ready to go. By default, that first cell is set to code, which is great for Python, but we want text formatting. Change the cell type from code to markdown using the drop-down in the toolbar. Markdown cells let you write formatted text, including headings, lists, and emphasis, and they render nicely when you run the cell. If you're familiar with shortcuts, you can switch to markdown quickly, but using the drop-down is perfectly fine. Now let's add a main title. In the markdown cell, type exactly, Number Sales Analysis Project. One hash symbol creates a large H1 heading, ideal for your notebook's main title. When you run the cell, it will render as a bold, prominent heading. Next, create a subheading for a major section. In a new markdown cell, type Number Data Cleaning. Two hash symbols produce an H2 heading, which is slightly smaller and perfect for key sections beneath your main title. Finally, add a smaller subheading to break that section into specific topics. In another markdown cell, type Missing Values. Three hash symbols create an H3 heading, ideal for subsections that group related notes, explanations, or code cells. As a quick tip, remember that the number of hash symbols controls the level of the heading, with more symbols making smaller headings. Use consistent levels to keep your notebook organized and easy to navigate. That's it. Clean, readable structure in just a few simple steps.